Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to counter enemy shields in Overwatch. Coordinate with your team to focus fire on one part of the shield to break it quickly. Heroes like Junkrat, Reaper, or Pharah can deal high burst damage to quickly break shields. Use abilities specifically designed to break shields, such as Symmetra's Charge Primary Fire or Bastion's Configuration Sentry. Position yourself to attack the sides of behind shields to avoid direct confrontation. Combine ultimates like Hanzo's Dragon Strike with Zyra's Graviton Surge to bypass shields and secure kills. Position yourself on high ground to shoot over shields or attack from unexpected angles. Utilize boop abilities to knock enemies off the map or into hazards. Sombra's EMP disables shields and barriers, making them vulnerable to attacks. Melee attacks ignore barriers, allowing heroes like Reinhardt or Winston to bypass shields and deal direct damage. Charge up Symmetra's primary fire on shields to maximize damage output. Use Roadhog's alternate fire to deal burst damage to shields or pull enemies out of position. Detonate concussion mines behind shields to displace enemies or break shield formations. Use barrage from high above to bypass shields and deal significant damage to group enemies. Get up close to bypass shields and deal massive damage with Reaper's shotguns. And activate Sentry Mode to quickly break shields with high sustained damage output. And that's how to counter enemy shields in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!